Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here with Paul Sherry Commercial Ram, and today I'm out featuring this box van. So this box is about a 14-foot long box sitting on the Ram 1 ton, which is the 350 ProMaster van. It's a front wheel drive van. It's great fuel mileage. They just updated this chassis for this year, and I'm really excited about it, and I'll talk about that more. But let's start with the box. The box is an upfit by Bay Bridge. It's got a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on it. It's a nice, super nice upfit box. Bay Bridge is out of Bristol, Indiana. They put the bulkhead up here, which is a nice protector up there with a diamond plate, extruded aluminum corners there. Kind of strengthens everything up, protects it. Maybe if you happen to be in some tree limbs or anything like that, it's going to protect it here. Nice smooth finish here if you want to add different decals, things like that. It's an aluminum sheeting here on the finish, so you can easily add a wrap or your company's logo, whatever you may have there. Got the big garage door on the back. Nice ramp. I think it's 29 inches wide. It's aluminum. Stows in underneath the vehicle here. It's just on rollers. I did it by myself, so just one person can do it. Just stows in that channel right there. Nice wide platform here to be able to step up into the van. It's got handles on both sides to assist you. And then the flooring here is going to be a 2x6. It's a shiplap flooring, just really durable. You got a light switch here. Turns on the LED light up there. And then you've got 2 rows of securement rails here on both sides. So you were able to tie down the items that you're hauling in here. Now I just drove, actually I think it was this one, just about 20 miles away, and picked up, we always get turkeys for all of my coworkers here, so picked up a skid of turkeys, and I was amazed at this chassis and how the improvements were done to it to make this van really ride really good. Now we've got roughly 162 inches, so that's 7.5 foot interior space in the box. You can get a couple more inches if you bring it out to here, but I always like to be a little conservative on that. And then you got just over 7 foot wide here and 7 foot tall. So you can stand up as long as you're not a really tall person, you'll be able to stand up here without crouching down and have plenty of room. So just a nice, well done box. It's got a little bit of translucent ceiling here, so you don't notice it too much today, but on a sunny day, it does light it up in here really well. All right, let's go in here and we'll take a look at the chassis side. So the chassis has been updated for this year. The ProMaster has been in the United States since 2014. It's based off the Fiat Ducato, which has been in production for a long time over in Europe. So it's a tried and true chassis. And this year they've done some upgrades safety-wise. They also put a new transmission in it. I believe it's 8-speed now, so it's a little bit more efficient there, the transmission. Got heated mirrors, power mirrors as well. And then with updates, they updated the interior here. Got commercial grade seating here. This one has the cloth seats, 2 bucket seats. Little space in between. And then this one we option with the door here. It's got a little latch down here. And that'll allow you to go in and out of the box. So that's pretty cool. Plenty of storage behind the seats, all that. Even a little space here if you want to put little hangers, coats, and things like that, you can do that. All right, so chassis, this is all new dash up here. So we've got, let's just start with the left. Got power mirrors, power windows, push button electronic brake, plenty of storage, cup holder in the door. Steering wheel is all new, has cruise control and adaptive cruise control. So the ProMasters, boy, a lot of these didn't even have cruise control on just the prior years, and now it's got adaptive cruise control. It's got hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your cell phone hands-free. Digital center of the dash there. All that really looks good. On top of that, we've got forward collision on this. It's got drowsing detection, so if you start nodding off, it's going to wake you up, hopefully, before you nod off and end up in the ditch. Push button start right here. Spot here, put a phone or your key. Automatic transmission, again, new tranny this year. New radio. So before we were left with just a 5-inch screen. Now we've got a nice size screen here. Backup cameras built in down there, which makes it nice on this box. And then we've got driver controls, phone controls, and then your radio control right here. It's got Sirius XM in addition to AM and FM, heat and air conditioning controls, and volume and tuning buttons. And then down here is actually a spot for your phone. Let's see, I got mine in my pocket. So let me get that key. Put your phone right there. So your phone's where it needs to be. It's not going to fall down or anything like that. And then you got plenty of spots to charge your phone up here to the right. All the USBs and all that. So just a great vehicle. These have been really hard to get the last couple years. We do currently have this one in stock, but call before you come on this because this video might outlast the actual vehicle on the lot. So it's a great vehicle if you're looking to transport goods for business or for whatever you may do. These are great. They're pretty nimble. They've got a really tight turning radius, the tightest in its class. And being front wheel drive, you're going to be able to do really good in all weather conditions. So appreciate you watching. And if you like this Ram ProMaster box fan, just let us know. We'll show you how easy it is to purchase here. Whether you're here in Ohio, maybe you're all the way across the United States, out in Washington State, we'll make sure your buying experience is enjoyable and easy. Take care.